Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Land Rover Discovery Sport 2 litre TD4 Landmark, finished in Narvik Black exterior paint, with 19-inch 5-split spoke dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic xenon headlamps with auto high beam assist, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, fixed panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we look now beneath the powered gesture tailgate, we can see the second row seats with the load through and the load space liner. As we look now into the rear of the cabin, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside and the ebony grained leather seats with Isofix child seat mounts. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the 10-way heated front seats, which as you can see are in excellent condition. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise controls with the heated steering wheel button, gear shift paddles, the gauge cluster, and the multimedia controls. On the touch display we have satellite navigation, rear camera display, as well as DAB radio. As we come down to the centre console, we can see the 2-zone climate control with heated seat buttons. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.